Hotel guests want instant service. But for staff, managing requests across departments can be overwhelming. Meet Checkinmate.ai, your hotel's AI-powered assistant. From the moment guests check in, they're connected through WhatsApp. Guests simply ask, "I need extra towels." Housekeeping gets a task instantly. Aircon not working. Maintenance is assigned. What's on the menu? The AI shows your restaurant menu and takes the order. Every request is routed in real time to the right department. Checkinmate.ai doesn't just respond, it anticipates. Ask for a spa and your hotel's packages appear first, followed by nearby options. Order food and the AI promotes seasonal specials. Hotels can also push timely marketing messages, upsells, and partner ads exactly when guests need them. At checkout, Checkinmate.ai sends review links across multiple platforms. Guests earn loyalty points for every review, redeemable for discounts or upgrades on their next stay. More reviews, more returning guests, more revenue. Managers get powerful insights, task status, guest sentiment, review trends, while teams focus on hospitality, not admin. Checkinmate.ai. Smarter service, happier guests, stronger hotels.